All right. So let's see what we got. Let's be sure we're on. All right. Okay, so we're on. All right, so let's get it. So today, what we want to look at is, as you can see on the screen, we have level 1. So I'm sure that anytime you see music pieces like this, you feel like all these notes, how do I learn how to read them? So the most important thing you want to take out from our lesson today is basically focusing on the different shapes of notes. So the first one we're going to look at now, because everything has been grouped into different levels here like we have. So for this particular level, which is basically level 1. So this is going to be exercise 1, and everything you see here is what your mouth will be saying. So basically you'll be calling out the numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And why here is what your left hand will be playing. And here is what your right hand will be playing. So in this case, it means that anytime you see a note like this, that note lasts for 4 beats. So, and that means you're going to hold that note all through. So now this is the note we're talking about. So this particular note, which is called the semibreve, or is also called the whole note. So semibreve if you're using the American name, and whole note if you're using the British name. And this is the length of beat here. So you either identify it by beats or claps. So in this case now, this particular note will last for 4 beats. So that simply means if we go to a level 1 exercise, it means that this particular note lasts for 4 beats. So in order for us to express that practically, left hand, let's look at the left hand alone. So left hand, you hit 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you want to keep the hand down. So don't take it back up. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 for the left hand. So you want to try that left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the same thing we're doing for the right. So right will be 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this case, we have to do both. So both hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the same thing, this one part is actually simple. So I always like to start simple before it gets complicated. So now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then exercise 2 also 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's make that make sense. If we want to play a C chord, for instance, a C chord. So what I want you to do is play a C major chord on your right hand. Yes. Then just a C on the left hand. Just one note, yes. So in this case now, if we're going to play both hands, it means this still represents your left hand and this represents your right hand. So it means it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So but now in this case, if this is going to be written in a piece of music, let's say this is your treble clef. Treble clef. So take note, your left hand is playing the C. Now, let's take note that this particular C here is the middle C. Mm-hmm. So now, the middle C, which normally is the short line below the treble clef. So now it means the C our left hand is playing is the one below the middle C. Because this is the middle C. So it means we are playing the chord on the middle C. So, which simply means the middle C will be this one. Then we have the next note, which is the E, and we have the next note, which is G. Do you understand? So if we have the bass clef, if it's written here, then this is all cows eat grass. So all cows, which would be this one. This is C. Exactly. So this is how it will be written, what you just played now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Makes sense, right? All right. Like I said, we start with the simple one before it gets complicated. So let's look at the next one. So the next one will be this one. So as you can see, exercise 3, left hand is going to be playing on 1 and on 3. Yes. So before we worry about the keyboard, we want to tap it first so that we'll know how that feels. So this is the best way to look at this. Take note where you have the notes on that particular number. So it means anytime you're saying number 1, your both hands should come together. That's the best way to visualize that. Because in this case now, if you look at the hands individually, it's going to be harder. But if you look at the hands together, it will be easier. So which simply means when we say 1, it has to be both hands. When we say 2, it has to be nothing. So it means hand is still down. Then when we say 3, it's only the left hand. Then when we say 4, nothing. So basically, let's take it one after the other. So 1 is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So let's try it now without stopping, because the tempo has to be kept. So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's try that with the chord now. Okay. So it means we are doing 1, 2, then 3, 4. So all you're just trying to wait for is wait for number 3 and play the left. Yes. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So now, all I always prefer that you learn to do is try to switch the hands. So which simply means you're going to be switching from exercise 3 to exercise 4.
Oh, I see.
So which simply means in this case, what the right hand is doing is what the left hand is going to do. So don't think about it too much. Know that this is both and this is left. And know that this one is both and this is right. It's that simple. So you want to try exercise 4? So let's try.
Before tapping it out?
Let's tap first. So tap would be both, 2, then 3, 4. So now let's see if we can merge 2 of them together, exercise 3 and exercise 4. Don't think too much. Remember, both left, both right. That's all you need to remember. So both left, both right. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not really hard. It's just for you to know how to understand it. So let's try it on the chords now.
Both exercises?
Yes, together. Okay. So we'll take it slow so that you can meet up. But remember, both left, both right. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now we're going somewhere because it means that if you want to play a song, you can choose any of this pattern to play the song. You understand? So for instance, if you're playing, instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4, You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand? So that's the different ways you can actually go about that. So now let's move to the next one because it gets better as we keep moving. So now this is exercise 5. Now as you can see, these second notes were introduced, which is called the minim or the half note. So which basically represents 2 beats, like we already demonstrated here.
Yes.
Yeah, because if you noticed, it was only played on 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. You understand? So now, the new one we're playing now is going to be just 1 beat. So, and this one is called a crotchet or a quarter note. So, which the value is 1 beat. All right? So, now let's see if we can tap that one. Just exercise 5. So remember, all you need to remember is both left, left, left. So are you ready? So 1, 2, 3, go. Both left, left, 4. Exactly. So now let's try exercise 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy, right? All right. So now let's try that on the chord now. So we're playing both. We're playing 5 and 6. Or let's practice both first. Tapping 2 before we try to play that on the chord. So we'll get used to it. So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. So let's try it on the chord now. So 1, 2, 3, go. All right. So you see, it's giving you an idea of how you can play a particular chord. Now, let's see if we can add a spice to it. So what is the spice we want to add? We want to move from C to F,
Okay.
basically. So which is more like we are moving from our do to fa. So remember the move. So let's try the chord first. Let's be sure we have the chord ready. Yes, exactly. Yes. So you can choose any of the F, that one or that one. But make sure both hands are already on C and F so that you don't have to, not the C, the others. Yeah, you can choose that C and F or this other C and F, whichever one. Yes. So whichever one you feel you're comfortable with. If you don't like that one, use the other one. So we're only going to try one of each.
Okay.
So meaning we're going to stay on exercise 5 for both chords.
Oh, okay.
So it means we're playing C, 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 F, 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 F.
I see. Okay.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I
So
understand.
1, 2, 3, go. C, 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 then F, F, F. You see? So it gives it a different spice than just holding the chord. You understand?
Music.
Exactly. So basically, this is one aspect of music, or one characteristic of music, which basically has to do with rhythm. Because the 3 major components of music is melody, harmony, and rhythm. So because this adds that flavor, that enables everybody to dance along with the music. So if you don't have good rhythm, your song might not be felt. You understand? So that's what we're trying to create here. So now let's try this other one with C and F. We only did 5 for each, so let's do 6 for each, and let's see how that one feels.
Okay.
So let's try that. So C and F. So we're doing right, basically.
Okay. Starting with the C chord.
Yes.
First. Okay.
So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
You have to move to F, yes. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's see. Tell me which one you prefer from this exercise, maybe exercise 5 or exercise 6. So play 2 of them.
I don't know.
So, yeah.
Let's go to 5.
Then play 6 now. But I know the one I prefer.
That's hard.
Yeah.
That's really hard.
But you see, when it comes to preference, it all depends on the song.
That's true.
I would prefer, if I'm playing a song, okay, it's outside. So if I'm playing a song that doesn't have too much lyrics or too much things going on. For instance, let's say the song is going, you love me. I'm just creating any song, you understand?
I was like, oh wow, what's this song? I've never heard that
So,
before.
so we have you, 2, 3, love me, 2, 3, 4. So for instance, now let's say I want to try to play that. We'll have so for something like that. So let's try something. Play the exercise 5,
Okay.
and we're going to see how that feels. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I was just trying to get the key. So you. So 1, 2, 3, go. You love me.
Okay.
Now, basically, because if I'm holding the note for a long, maybe like a longer time, then it means that you can do much more bass, because that's what the left hand is doing, basically driving the music.
That's what I was gonna say. The left hand's kind of like depending like bass.
The bass.
And then like the right hand is kind of doing melody and kind of like
It's basically
carrying
more
through
like
song.
it's more like the carpet, if I'll put it that way. So I basically
More like
a carpet, like
like rolling out the carpet.
it's something like that. So now let's move to the next one.
Oh, okay.
All right. So let's see if you can figure this out yourself.
Okay.
Using the same idea, basically C chord and F chord. But before you try to play that, let's see if we can play that. Remember, this is both. And look at here, which is right.
And the right. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. So let's see if we can do both together, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's try with the chord now.
To lift my hand, like onto the chord. That's why I was like, oh.
So now let's see if we can do this for C and this for F.
Okay.
So just remember you're switching hands, that's all.
Right hand for C.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Left hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's tricky, I know.
It is.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now, we're going somewhere. This is like still the easy peasy part. So now, let's move to exercise 9. This one should be easy. So just play 9 and 10 at once.
C,
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. That's easy. So, yeah. So, which is another way you can play 4/4 chords instead of just holding it. You can play it twice. All right, so let's try 11, 12.
Oh, okay. So left hand is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so basically we're switching hands.
All right.
So just remember that this is both left, both left. So the same thing you're doing both right, both right. That's all.
Ready?
2, 3, go. 1, 2. So it's immediately. So there's no wait. So let's go.
That's my bad.
So I think you should do both on this one because it's getting technical now. No, on C and also F. Do 2 of them on this pattern.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.
A little tricky.
Yeah. But if you do both, it might be hard to meet up. So now, because of the change of chord. So now let's try exercise 12.
Okay. Left hand. Okay.
So both right, both right. So 1, 2, 3, go. So you see, that's another way to play 4 beat chords. So instead of just waiting, you can play it in that beat pattern. So let's try an example, maybe using a beat, and let's see how you're going to flow with that.
Oh, okay.
So now this is just going to be the first thing. So the first thing you want to do is know how to count the beat. Know how to count the beat based on what you hear. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So let's do just pattern 11. So which would be both left, both left, both left, both left. Let's do only C chord because it's fast. So let's go. 1. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Both left, both left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Both left, 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 both left. Exactly. So now let's try 12. Let's try 12. Both right, both right. 1, 2, 3, go. Both right, both right, both right, both right. Now let's see if you can change the chords now. So, yeah, but now let's do exercise 11. Yeah, so moving from C to F. 1, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Which is still not bad though, because you know why? That is also not bad because F and C is still in that chord. So it's still right. But in this case, we don't want to do that yet because we're going to get there. So let's try that again. Play the beat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll go C and then F.
Yeah. 1. Ready? 1. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. No, it's too slow. 1, 2, 3. Follow the music. 1, 2, 3, go. Exactly. All right. So now let's try. Yeah, stop it. So let's try exercise 12, sorry. Let's try 12. So which is both right, both right. We'll change the chord this time. Yeah, it's easy. Let's go. You ready? So both C and F. C and F, same thing.
Okay. It's like when you said choose first, like okay.
Yeah, we're not going to a new chord, same chord. So 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay,
So both right, both right. Yeah. You ready? So let's go. 1. Yeah, you can play beat. 1. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So that's good. You can stop it. All right. That's good. So now let's move to this particular one, which is exercise 13. So in this case, now we're having, let's see if you can figure it out. Let me not say anything because we've already done this before.
You just want me to play?
You can tap if you want to tap it. 3, 4, exactly. So which is exercise 13, right? Mm-hmm. Then 14 will be what?
14 would be 1, 2, ready, go.
Both left, 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 which is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So let's try C on the chords. Yeah. So you want to do switch of chords, C to F? It's actually easy. Yeah. Of exercise 13. So let's try with the beat. 1, 2, 3, go. That's it. That's fine. Stop it. So it's easy peasy. So let's move to 14. Just both left, left, left. Yeah, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, that's it. Sweet. How you feeling it?
I think something like that exercise is easier just to have the one note be repeated.
Yeah.
As opposed to like the chorus, you know?
Okay. So let's move to this one. So tap it first.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That's it. That's it.
Both right, both right.
Yeah, so let's try with the beat and switching chords as well. 1, 2, 3, go. Just slow. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Ba, 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 ba. All right, that's fine. So now I'm using this particular kind of beat because it is not giving you to give you the count of the beat. There's some point whereby it's going off the beat, compared to rock beats that will just do it's easier for you to go with that count. I don't want you to get used to those kind of beats. So now let's try exercise 16. Tap first. Exactly. Yeah. So now let's try that, switching the chords and the beats now. One, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Both left, 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 both. That's it. That's it. I'm already feeling it. You can stop it. So let's have exercise 17. This is the easiest of all. Let's try exercise 17. You ready? Okay, play a beat. 1, 2, 3, go. Easy, easy peasy. It don't happen. It don't happen. All right, that's it. All right.
I mean, 17 and 18.
Yeah.
So.
Good job. All right. If you want to see more like this, we're going to get into the level 2. So if you want to see more, type that in the comment and share, like, make sure you subscribe.